I just got this email about half an hour ago from Dilyar with AISEO. They have improved the powerful readability improver. And inside AISEO, I'm going to go to the Hemingway readability improver. Now, I've made a video on this. In fact, I think there was a bug within the software because the results did not really work. This was the weakest part of AISEO. I do think it's a great tool. So let's test it out today with this new improvement. I'm going to use the same article for context. If you haven't seen that other video, then I was pretty harsh on this tool, most notably because it didn't work and it was taking my credits. Now, since I'm on the unlimited today, I'm not worried about the credits, but I am worried about the outputs. So if I jump into AISEO and paste in our text, what I'll see is a lot of red. We saw this in the last video, my writing, just too complex. And it's not because I'm smart, it's because, well, I'm just not a great writer. So if I scroll down here, readability 12. This is a 12th grade level, 776 words. I'm going to click improve. Now I do need to give it a title first. I did that in the last video. So let's go ahead and do brainwork, and then I'll scroll down and click improve once more. Now while this thing finishes up, the red is very hard to read text. The yellow is hard to read. The green is passive, and then the purple are complex phrases. This is following Hemingway's rules. Again, I'm not going to duplicate that other video. This is just a quick update showing that this has been improved, that AISEO continues to improve. Week over week, there are new updates. This is a rapidly developing tool. So let's jump in and actually see if it worked this time. It got it to a 5 readability and a 684 word count compared to 12 and 776. So let's actually read it and see what it did. Writing blog posts is frustrating when you can't think of an idea or get stuck halfway through a sentence. Write blog posts is frustrating when you can't think of an idea. So this here is more readable because it's shorter. That's one of the tips. Hemingway, they instantly put yellow if you have a super long sentence. So this is shortened the sentence. Write blog posts is frustrating. We do need to change that to writing because it did mess up the grammar there. Writing blog posts is frustrating when you can't think of an idea. Why does my dog eat the toilet paper, and what do I want with a cat anyway? So it didn't change that joke. Brainwork is an AI-powered writing assistant that makes it easy to write SEO-friendly blogs. Brainwork is a free, easy way to write good content that ranks in search engines. That's a lot more readable. Brainwork is best for marketers, bloggers, and freelancers looking to generate long-form content. That works, I guess. It's just changing one word. Brainwork is an alternative to Jasper. It includes a built-in keyword research tool. So it just created 2 separate sentences there to make it more readable. Let Brainwork's AI-powered writing assistant help you write compelling, high-quality, long-form content. And this right there looks like it might have misspelled Brainwork. That's okay. We do have to proofread this. This is using AI, so you're going to still have to do a little bit of work. That's a very good sentence right there. So it did a remarkably better job there. Now, if we scroll down, been designed, it got rid of, and it just says, Brainwork's AI-powered writing assistant's been designed. Brainwork's AI-powered writing assistant, available for both, definitely don't need that, was created to help you win readers. So win readers it's doing win instead of conquer. On the right, we'll just add that beat writer's block. I think conquer writer's block obviously sounds better, but we'll keep it very simple there. Beat writer's block. You can write blog posts in half the time. So like by typing, that's horrible. I'm surprised that this wasn't highlighted, in fact. So this is doing pretty good. I'm not going to read all this to you, but it does look like it's creating essentially short sentences. So it's shortening the sentences. So it got rid of the pictures in the updated version, so we're off a slight bit here. But we'll see Brainwork's outline generator makes it a breeze to write full-fledged blogs. The AI will generate as many options for your outlines as you need. I said, Brainwork's outline generator makes writing full-fledged blogs stress-free, no excuse not to do kind of thing. That's just too long. The AI will generate as many options for your blog posts as you need, including introductions. So this is separating it into multiple sentences, which makes it easier to read. All in all, I think now the AI SEO Readability Improver is in fact a readability improver. There wasn't a bug when I tested it out today. It significantly improved the readability, as well as keeping the word count relatively in check, because I don't want to summarize or paraphrase or do any of that. I just want to make it easier to read. So hopefully this video's helped. I did want to make an update, most notably because the first time through, there were bugs with this tool. And since then, Dilyar has greatly improved AI SEO. In the past month, this tool has seen light speed improvements. Hopefully this video brought you some value. Give it a like if it did. My name is Scott with AIPROFITz, and we'll see you in the next one.